So today guys, we're making oxtail pasta. First, wash and trim the excess fat from the meat. Then, we add Grace oxtail marinade and allow to marinate overnight. Next, remove the seasonings from oxtail, add it to the pot and then brown on all sides. Next, add enough water to come 1 inch above the oxtail in the pot. Add salt, then cover and allow to pressure cook. When the oxtail is cooked, let it cool and then debone. Here's a pro tip.
If possible, cook your oxtail from the day before and refrigerate it in its gravy. That gives you much greater flavor.
Next, you're going to boil the pasta. Here's another pro tip.
Slightly undercook your pasta in the boiling water, then finish it in your sauce. That way, you are less likely to overcook it.
In the skillet, add some pasta water, cream, oxtail gravy and simmer for 3 minutes. Then, add pasta, deboned oxtail and bell peppers. Simmer for 2 minutes and serve immediately.